Good morning to us. Today I would like to report about the IP or Internet Protocol. So, what is Internet Protocol? Internet Protocol or IP is the network layer communication protocol in the Internet Protocol suite that delivers datagrams across network boundaries. Its routing function enables inter-networking and essentially establish the internet. Okay, so if or IP functions similarly to a postal service. When the users send and receive data from their device, the data gets spliced into packets, which are like letters with two IP addresses and one for the sender and one for the recipient. After the packet leaves the sender, it goes to the gateway, like a post office, that directs in the proper direction. Packets continue to travel through gateway until they reach their destinations. And if IP address is commonly paired to TCP to form TCP/IP, the overall Internet Protocol so together IP sends packets to their destination, and TCP arranges the packets in the correct order, as IP sometimes sends packet out of order to ensure the packets travel the fastest ways. So, in simpler words, Internet Protocol is a protocol or set of rules that govern the routing of data packets such that it travels across the networks and reaches its desired destination. Data passing through the internet is divided into smaller pieces known as the packets. So, it is very important why we need to know what is uh, IP or Internet Protocol. So, we will proceed to the next one. Okay. So, our next discussion is HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So, what is HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol? Okay. So, HTTP protocol can be used to transfer the data in the form of a plain text, hypertext, audio, video, and etc. on the internet. So, like FTP, uh, HTTP is a file sharing protocol that runs over TCP/IP. Although HTTP primarily works over web browsers and it's commonly recognized for the most users. When the user enters a website domain and aims to access it, HTTP provides the access. HTTP connects to the domain server and requests the site's HTML, which is the code that structure and displays the page design. So, it is important to know the HTTP protocol because they are very uh, incredible to know that the other form of HTTP is very crucial. So HTTP form of HTTP is with standards HTTP over secure sockets layer of or HTTP secure. HTTP can encrypt a user's HTTP request and web page. This provides more security to users and can prevent common cybersecurity threats such as man-in-the-middle attack. So the next one is the DNS or domain name system. So what is domain name system? DNS is a database that includes a website domain name which people use to access the website, and it is corresponding IP address which device used to locate the website. So DNS means it is a translator. It can translate the domain name into IP address. Just for example, the Google, you need to without DNS, you should to memorize the IP address of the Google, but through the DNS you can only name the Google. For example, Google, you don't need to memorize the IP address of that. It can simply, you can name the Google or Facebook. You don't need to memorize the IP address of the Facebook. It is simply you can use the name only for Facebook. And these translators or translation are included within the DNS. DNS is important because it can quickly provide users with information as well as access to remote hosts and resources across the internet. So that's all, and thank you.
Alright.